Akbar and Birbal, they'll come to earth after many years, and so they want to just explore the place there. So they doesn't know what, so there are a lot of changes there, but so still they are excited. So they want to look around and find more about this place. And then they look for a horse carriage and or 2 horses to travel, and then young man will suggest them to go by car or bus, and then later, and also Akbar will also ask Birbal to look for river or well for to drink water. He will be feeling thirsty there, isn't it? So do you remember? And then later they will and then old man will tell them to go and buy a mineral water from the shop, and they will offer a gold coin to buy a bottle of water there, and then so everything happens. Still here I have done. And then what happens here? Page number 57. Let me continue, children. So here Akbar will tell Birbal that he want to go for hunting. So look for a forest nearby. He will tell Birbal that. Till here I have done. So let me continue, children. So the conversation is going between Akbar and Birbal. So Akbar and Birbal, they want to look, go and find out more about this place. So they are very much excited there. But in between they are facing so many problems. And so let us see what happens. So how they will come out of this problems. And then before, Birbal is very clever, he is very intelligent. So let us continue the lesson, children, here. So then Akbar will tell that he want to go for hunting. Then Birbal will tell, yes my lord, to a rickshaw puller. So then Birbal will go and tell for a rickshaw puller, then nearby he will tell, excuse me, is there a forest somewhere close by? Take us there for hunting, he will tell. So the Birbal will tell, so he will, whatever Akbar will tell his wish, everything he will fulfill there. So Akbar will go and ask for a rickshaw puller to, so is there any forest nearby, he will ask. Then rickshaw puller, so what he will tell, the rickshaw driver, he will looking astonished. Astonished means surprised. He was surprised to hear that one. And then, sir, a forest here, hunting. So he is very much surprised. In modern days, is that possible to go for hunting? No. So the hunting animals are banned, isn't it? So the person who will hunt, they will be punished. So the rickshaw puller will be very surprised to hear that one, a forest. So he will say like this, he will say, sir, a forest here, hunting, he will say. Well, let me tell you, the forests were cut long back. So he will tell, the forests were cut long back. These buildings were built on that land. Animals can be found only in the zoo, he will tell. So the forests are cut long back, and in place of that, buildings have been built here, and then animals can only be found in the zoo, he will tell. Moreover, hunting is not allowed anymore, he will tell. Hunting is not allowed anymore. If a person is caught hunting, he will be put into prison. So the rickshaw driver will tell everything to the Birbal and Akbar that so the forest is has been cut, and then buildings are built in this place, and then it is not allowed. Hunting is not allowed nowadays. If suppose any person caught hunting, he will be put into prison. He will explain everything. And then I am in a hurry. I have to leave now. So the rickshaw driver will go off. He will tell. The rickshaw puller leaves there. He will tell for Birbal and he will go away. Then what happens? Birbal, no forest means no trees. No forest means no trees. No animals and unclean air. He will tell. No forest means what happens? No trees. No trees means what happens? No animals and unclean air. He will tell like that. Akbar and Birbal walk a few steps. Suddenly a masked man threatens them with a gun there. So what happened? After that, they will go further a little bit, and then few steps they will walk, and suddenly a masked man, who was wearing mask there, he will threaten with them with a gun. He will holding a gun in his hand. Why he is threatening them? Because they are wearing so many jewels. The children in olden days, how kings used to dress up. So they were very, so Akbar and Birbal, they were wearing a lot of jewels there. So the masked man, he wanted to loot these things from these people. So he will threaten them. And then what happened? Masked man, he will show him the gun. He will tell, give me all your jewels or I will kill you, he will tell. Give me all your jewels or I will kill you, he will tell. Akbar angrily, I will call my guards, go away. Then Akbar will be angry on him, and he will tell, I will call my guards, go away, he will tell. Then masked man, he will ask, what? Guards? Hurry up. He will surprise, he will be surprised, he will ask a question, then what? Guards? Hurry up. Please do not kill us. So Birbal will tell, please do not kill us, my lord. Let us give him all that he wants. And then everything happens between the masked man, Akbar and Birbal. Akbar will tell that I will call the guards if you are threatening us, he will tell. Then masked man, he won't care for that. He will tell what guards he will ask, and then he will tell, hurry up, give all your jewels, otherwise I'll kill you, he will tell. Then Birbal will tell, please do not kill us, my lord, let us, so he will tell to Akbar, Birbal will tell, so let us give all our jewels to him, otherwise he will kill us, so let us give all our jewels to him, he will tell Akbar then. Then they give away their jewels, the masked man runs away. So after the Birbal convince the king, convince Akbar to give all the jewels, he will give the, so both of them, they remove their jewels like chain and the finger rings, so expensive the jewels will be wearing, so everything they will give to the masked man. He will take the jewel and he will run away there. Then what happens? Then Birbal to an old lady passing by. Who is the king here? We want to go and complain that we have been robbed. Then Birbal will ask an old lady, or old lady will be on the way, she will be going, so he will ask her. So who is the king in this place? He will ask. So they are just thinking that they are in those days, in olden days, how the kings used to rule the country. So like that he is asking that old woman, so who is the king here? We want to go and complain. So if anything happens, or if if anyone steals or they rob him, what happened? Where will we go? Should we go to police station, isn't it? But Birbal is thinking that, so he is asking that who is the king here? We want to go and complain that we have been robbed, he will ask. Then old lady, looking shocked. So when after hearing that one, the old lady is shocked to hear that one. What king? If you have been robbed, go to the police station behind this building. So she will tell, go to the police behind this building and complain there. And then she will tell who. She is shocked there. What king? So no king is here. So you have to go to the police station and give a complaint. She will tell. Then Birbal will tell thank you. And then Akbar and Birbal will go to the police station there. And then the police station inspector will be there. So he will ask, what happened? Who robbed you? Tell me what the thief looked like. Let me note it. So the inspector will ask. He will ask to say whatever happened with them. And then Birbal will tell, sir, he wore a mask. We could not see his face. He was a tall and strong man. So he will tell, he wore a mask. He could not make out his face. He could not see his face. He was tall and strong man. He was wearing a mask. So he is telling the inspector that he, so like this man threatened us and they robbed our jewels. He will tell everything to the inspector there. Another police enters with two handcuffed men. So by the time what happened? Another police will enters and with the two handcuffed men. You can see the picture here. And then policemen. So these two were caught in the market by another policeman. So these two were caught by another policeman by the another policeman in the market. They will tell. He will tell so. They were running away as if they had committed some crime. So by the time the police were writing the complaint of Akbar and Birbal, another police will bring two handcuffed men and he will tell that these persons were caught in the market. So they were running away as if they have committed crime. So like that he will explain to the inspector there. Then inspector, to the handcuffed men, you have been put in prison so many times. So usually they used to rob and they used to come to the jail every time. So the police will tell, inspector will tell, you have been in prison for so many times. I do not think that you are innocent. I do not think that you are innocent, he will tell. And then to Birbal, it will take a week to find out who stole your things. Then again to Birbal, he will tell, it will take a week and we'll find out who is the thief. Inspector will tell to Birbal then. Then suddenly Birbal will tell, sir, I have an idea. So Birbal will tell, I have an idea, because Birbal was very intelligent, isn't it? So he will tell for inspector that I have an idea. I will give each of them. So the two handcuffed men were there in the police station. No? So then after seeing them, Birbal will get an idea there, and he will tell, I will give each of them a piece of this magic stick. I will give each of them this magic stick. So the stick with the thief will grow longer by 3 inches. So he will tell, I will give 2 sticks for each of them to this handcuffed men, and then the thief who is having that stick, no, so it will grow by 3 inches. So whoever the thief is, the stick will grow. It is a magic stick, he will tell. So he will give the two sticks to that each of them. So same size and same length he will give to those thieves. Then what happens we see here. So we will soon come to know the truth. He will tell. So we will come to know the truth. What is happening? Whether they have robbed our jewels, so we can easily find out. He will give an idea to the inspector. We will tell them. And then inspector, looking surprised, let us try that. So inspector was surprised to hear that one, and then he will tell, let us try this one. He will tell. Birbal gives one piece of stick to each, both the sticks being of the same length of the, both the sticks were of same length. So one stick was given for each thief there. And then after 2 hours, so the sticks were given to the thief, and then after 2 hours, so they wanted to check whether the stick has grown by 3 inches there. Okay, so that was the idea of Birbal there. So he wanted to see, so he wanted to make out, so the stick with the thief will grow longer by 3 inches. So that will decide that who is the thief there. He will announce that one, isn't it? And then Birbal gives one piece of stick to each, both the sticks being of the same length. After 2 hours, what happens? Inspector, after 2 hours, show me the sticks that were given to you. He will ask. He will ask the thief there. The suspects show the sticks. So both thief were having that magic stick with them, and then after 2 hours, inspector will take the stick from them, and he wanted to find out what had happened with that stick. Okay. Then Birbal, pointing at one of them, he is the thief. His stick has become shorter by 3 inches. Then Birbal, pointing at one of them, one of the thief, he will point out and he will tell. So he is the thief. He will tell. He is the thief. His stick has become shorter by 3 inches. So Birbal will easily find out that who was the thief there. And then the suspect, he will understand that he has been caught. And then, please forgive me, I will return all your things within an hour. I was afraid of being caught, so I broke my stick. So really the stick is going to grow children by 3 inches? No. So that was Birbal's idea. He was very intelligent, isn't it? So he wanted to catch the thief there. So one of the suspects, what he did, he broke the stick by 3 inches. So he will think that the other person will get caught there. But because he broke the stick, he was caught there. So Birbal was very clever. So he could easily make out that this person has looted their jewels and all like that. So he will point out to one of them, and then he will tell he is the thief. His stick has become shorter by 3 inches. So the suspect will also accept that when he will tell, I was afraid of being caught, so I broke the stick by 3 inches. He will tell. Yes, you have to return their things. Then inspector will tell, yes, you have to return their things. To Birbal, you are as intelligent as Birbal. So then inspector is very much happy with that, and turning to Birbal, he will tell, you are as intelligent as Birbal. You are very intelligent like Birbal. He is Birbal only, but he doesn't know that one. So he will tell, you are as intelligent as Birbal. We need more people like you. He will tell for Birbal. He will appreciate. Okay. Because he easily caught the thief there, no? So he will appreciate the Birbal then, and so he will tell that you are as intelligent as Birbal. So we want more people like you, so we can easily catch the thief like that. He will tell. So everything it happened on the stage, so they all leave the stage. They have given here. So all these characters, whatever identity of Akbar, Birbal, old woman, and then old man, and then rickshaw driver, everything. So we can just we can imagine it like a drama there. We can also enact like this. If there was in the classroom, means you could have easily do that one. Okay, children. I hope you have understood the story. Read the lesson once or twice. Pronounce the words nicely. Okay. In the next class, let us discuss the exercise of this lesson. Okay. Thank you.